Hello guys, how's it going? My name is Thiago. I made this channel to make a friends in Australian that's guys like technology and video games and retro games as well. For me is my favorite things for to do. Maybe sometimes I learn English yet because if I made a new friends here, I can improve my English. And sorry about my language, but I can improve it with you guys. So, I bring this joystick for to do unboxing, and I can use with my phone. I didn't test in iPhone, but I use in my Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. Maybe I think so. The performance is very good. I like it, and I try to use as well in my computer. Because this device you can how can I say synchronize, I'm not sure the word, but you can use in your computer, and in your computer you work like a joystick for Xbox, maybe like a genuine, some things like this. And you have three options for connect with your Bluetooth. First option, your smartphone, your will be, how can I say, sorry guys for my English. I learned yet, but your phone, you connect with device like device, Android device, something like this. And then another second option is like uh, joystick switch. It's like a Nintendo Switch. And another one, joystick for Xbox. There are three options for you sync in your phone and in your PC as well. I test in Windows. I can't test in Linux because I need to install in my computer as well. Maybe I can use in PS4 and Xbox as well. Is that good because the price is low? I think so. I pay $24, 23, $24, something like this on eBay. It's so cheaper. It's a good about the price. It's a good device for the people that like it used in for play retro games or emulators or Android games as well. I test in for Android games. I test in Albion. I have this in my PC as well. Albion. I use in my phone, but I like it. It's work very well. And I use for some emulators in my phone. I put, I think so, PS2, Nintendo Wii, Nintendo Switch, and another retro games. That's fine. Thank you guys. See you next video.